Hello, good day everyone, I'm Teps. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is an Epson LCD projector. Model EB-S12. Not turning on and no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you like electronics and want to learn to repair TV and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss a video just like this. So let's get started. Let's open the projector. This is the main AC switch. If the lamp door is open, this switch will turn off, so we will switch it on like this. Because the projector is no power, we will measure voltages. These wires are going to the main power supply, so we measure the voltage there. No voltage is present, seems the power supply is not working. This is the power supply, let's remove it. Let's test the fuse, it's good. The power supply is finally removed. The power supply is very compact. Let's continue to disassemble it. The main capacitor is not charged, so it's now safe. This is the HID lamp driver. This is the standby power supply. This is the AC input. Let's solder an AC cord so we can energize it. The main power board fuse is separated, so we series the 220 ohms resistor for safety. Let's test it again before we begin the troubleshooting. There is an output of 5 volts. We don't measure voltage earlier. Let's connect the main board. No voltage when the main board is connected. Seems there is a short circuit at the main board. Let's find the short circuit. A short reading of these two ceramic capacitors. There is no sign of burnt or crack of these capacitors. Let's connect the power supply. It will kick a voltage even to a short circuit line, and somehow heats the shorted capacitor. Let's apply a candle to the capacitors so we can see when it melts. The power supply now is plugged in. See the melting? Let's see again in slow motion. This is shorted. Let's remove the shorted capacitor. It confirms that it is the shorted capacitor. Let's replace the capacitor with 10 microfarads. I get the capacitor from this LCD DC to DC source board. Let's solder the capacitor. Not so neat to see, but it is soldered properly. Let's try it. We have a voltage now, even the main board is connected. Let's connect the control keys. We have a blinking light indicator and seem it's working now. Let's reassemble the projector.
A few moments later.
The projector is now working great. The job is done easily if we trace that the main board has the shorted capacitor in the first place. But that is a part of troubleshooting of a faulty components. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you in the next video. Bye for now.